Hello, girl. What are you doing? All right, we have a Cub Cadet commercial M48 tank M48. Hope the lighting's not too bad, but I'm not going to move this until we get a battery in it. Battery is 4 years old, and we're going to replace it with a XS Power AGM, which I believe is dry cell battery. If you've watched my other videos, you've already heard me say I love these batteries. I have one in a Trino. I left the key on one time for a whole week, and the battery would not even take a charge until I hooked it up to my 66 F100 and jumped it and got it to start. Then I let the alternator charge it. Then I was able to put a charger on it and get a full charge. But that was one of these batteries, and that was like 5 years ago or more that happened. The battery's about 6 or 8 years old, and it's still going. So you can't kill them. I think they got like a 10-year life expectancy on them. So I'm going to put this in here. We'll see how that works out. Okay, so as you can see, this battery is a little smaller than the battery tray was intended for, but I got an answer for that. First of all, let's just stick our battery in there. And it does go in there easy. The other one would barely fit, even though I got the seat propped up as high as it'll lift. I got one block of wood. You can see I planned ahead before I made this video. I test fitted this. Got one block of wood, and I got another one I kind of cut into a wedge. Use my Bridgeport mill. I know everyone doesn't have it, but I might be able to figure something out without a mill. If you want to do this, and that kind of wedge is in there, and then I'm going to take a strap and get that fastened to this little hook. Now it's in there nice and tight. Let's hook up my ground. Now these batteries come with these Allen bolts, which will be perfect for my terminals on this. Now for cars, bigger batteries, you can buy screw-in lugs that screw right in that hole, and they work nice. I know, because I tried them. But honestly, I kind of like these because you can just use these type of connectors even on cars, and you don't have to worry about automotive battery connector. Now let's see what size. Here we go. Now, we'll hook up my ground first, and this should work perfectly. And the price of this battery was $148. Yes, I know, Crystal. Yeah, and yes, I know that's high for a lawnmower battery. I can get one for under 60 bucks. 40 bucks. I can go to AutoZone and get an EverStart lawn battery. You know, well, I can do that too. But you know, I'm just tired of buying batteries. I'm going through the same thing with my old tractor, which has a 6 volt. I'm going to see if these guys have a 6 volt that will start that thing. Yeah, that's a nice little setup. And this thing has 370 cold cranking amps. A lot more than this lawnmower needs, so it should fire up quite nicely. Now, I don't know if it's going to start up right away. This thing kind of needs a fuel pump. And you got to spray some starting fluid in it. Once you get it started, it seems to pump fuel up. I think it needs a new fuel pump. Okay, we got keys in it. Let's see if it cranks. Oh, yeah. Let's pull the choke and see if it'll start. I did have it started. I have started it this year. Had to jump the battery, but it did start. Okay. Always battery's not starting in a safe way. There you go. I like it. Now let's hope this battery lasts 10 years like the rest of them I bought do. Now we got one more thing to do while I'm here. Put my filter in that I showed you in my package opening video. And those videos usually get a bunch of dislikes. Don't care. Don't really care. Where is it? Okay. Let's see. Does it fit? There we go. Should go in there just like that. I guess it fits. Sure it does. Well, that was easy.